Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you my replacement for the end fed update. When I set up the end fed, I mean the one-to-one balance on the other end, um, I did put only one leg, which is the existing one that was going up to the tree, which was the used by the end fed before. So I kept that wire and I hooked it up to the one-to-one balance. But of course, the other end, I didn't put anything on it, and I tried it out like that. It didn't receive very well, especially on FTA. It did okay, but it didn't do compared to what the NFET was doing. So I decided to add the second leg, and I ran some tests on it. So this is the permanent setup for the second leg. So of course, I used the paracord here, and it's hooked up here. I wrapped it around Tyra. I could always loosen it up if I need more slack or if I need to bring down the second leg of the wire. So up there, there's a hook. This used to be an old clothesline pole, which I used before. This is the old wire that I had years ago. That I'm going to show you what happened to that wire. I was testing it out with this one actually, and I had to combine it with another wire. But this wire is water damage. If you look at it closely inside, I'll show you a strand of it. It has like green mold inside already. So moisture definitely went in this wire already, and it kind of ruined it. So I just kept it there for like a keepsake, how my channel started, because I started my channel actually. So I leave it there. So now I took it up to a higher level. I took a rock with a string and I chucked it up there, and I finally got a regular string up there. It's let me see, right here's a dog bone. Sorry for the camera shaking. I got it 2 times the dog bone. There's a hook up there in the pole. Yeah. So I chucked a piece of string there and I got it up there. So that's how I got the paracord up there. And then this is the brand new speaker wire. Let me zoom out. You can see the speaker wire. It's kind of cloudy, but you can see it. He's 75 feet. The speaker wire that I had on my shack, brand new, Trisonic. It's not the best speaker wire in the world, but let's take a walk over here, and I'll show you. This is the second leg. You can see it more visible now. This is more permanent setup right now. Of course, speaker wire, I did split it up. One end is, one side of it was copper, the other side is the silver part. Of course, I use it in the copper part. It's not the best quality wire, but I'm gonna use it for now. Eventually, I might replace it with a more permanent wire later on. But this will do for at least for the summertime. Okay, and now it's hooked up to the balance. Okay, let me go under here. I'm sorry for that. Okay, let me hold it right here. So as you can see, now I got one end going up to the tree, and then this one going up to that pole. Okay, so it kind of look like a V. Okay, so it's like a V. And I did test out this configuration with a cheaper wire that I had, but that one I told you had some of it had mold inside and all that. It was not good. So I decided to put brand new speaker wire. Okay, speaker cable. And eventually I'll seal that up. Of course, I put a strain relief there. I have not sealed that yet because I want to test it. But let me go around this way. Go back around this way. I don't care about his whiteness. I don't care about his maleness. I care that he's an idiot. Okay, so there we go. Let me zoom in there. So as you can see, I listen to WABC in the background. Give me a second. Okay, sorry for that. I had to shut it off for a minute. So as you can see, the balance hanging there. I also replaced I'm using the old paracord as backup in case I need to bring the whole thing down and give it a lot of slack in case of a storm. I still have that line there. But I put new paracord in there. It's brand new paracord. It's a lot stronger. It's a camouflage actually. And I put that there. And then of course the two legs. So this is like a V antenna now. As you can see, both of them. One goes up to the tree. The other one goes to the pole. Okay. And now I can do some FT8. Okay. And I was trying it out yesterday with a couple of pieces combined, and it did okay, but it wasn't that high up. It was actually lower because I was using the old one. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna put a more permanent setup. So like I said, I chucked the rock up there with a string. I got it to the hook. I pulled up the paracord up there. I combined it with the speaker wire with a dog bone connector, and then the dog bone connector to the speaker wire. And now I have the second leg of the antenna. And there you go. Okay, sorry for this long-winded video. But I can't get too close, so I zoomed in there. Sorry for the camera shaking. Let me go back right here. Okay, so there you go. So it's all ready to go. I'm gonna do some FT8 on 10 meters. And we'll see. I got about 7 contacts yesterday with the temporary one that was there, but this is permanent now. So I'll just speaker wire stays intact. I'll be good to go. All right. So there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you like to see content like this. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.